guys, welcome to another vlog now. This is I guess I'm gonna call it for Vlogmas. So today I'm there at LP Azar Limited, somewhere in a crossroad area. I'm gonna just walk up on some burritos a while ago. I'm gonna take some picture. And now I'm about to put on my mask because we know I'm getting on a problem. Alright. So them look for something I've gone. Alright. Come on, greetings across the world. Pick up anybody who want big up.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
I want to big up my wife.
Alright.
I want to big up them cancer, I'm not a baby man.
Oh.
I want to big up my wife and my 2 kids.
Okay, alright, hold on. Carisse, hold this to me.
The great Dutty Berry.
Hold on, Carisse, hold this to me. Oh, Carisse there. Carisse there, chop me out.
Yeah, man, and even them, I want to say to the most honorable Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, you need to give this man the right recognition.
But he should be an MP right now.
As an honorable.
Yes.
Most honorable Duttyberry.
Oh, I like that, honestly.
Pretty legendary if you ask me. I love it.
Yeah, so I'm sure you probably wonder like why I'm here. Carisse, might tell them. Why am I there?
We are getting the set ready.
Yeah, so over the door now I'm actually, going to have a set for my YouTube show. And it's a DBS exclusive where I interview YouTubers, no more expand it to just creatives about. And so, I link up with Jay and they give me access for, film at their studio. And so I link up Carisse, because look at Carisse, you can know them look at something. Them women they know about body and beyond and them look rub up and them look at something. Like she know about house and them look at something there. And so she said, alright then, she will take care, right? So she call up the people them from LP. Yeah, so LP Azar, and so we're here picking out some items. So hopefully, Carisse, you know, tell the people them where they just kind of about the place now.
Well,
she work with Miss Donna. She work with Auntie Donna here. She helped make the little pudding in my ear time.
Oh my God.
I joke, yeah.
So we are an influencer marketing agency. So anything influencers want, we got the plug. So whether sponsorship for shows or set styling, anything you need, we got it.
You link her, I'm gonna put her, F it right here. So see it? Yeah, man. Alright. Alright, so Carisse in a little moment now, she'll try to pick out some of the little stuff then. So let's look at her process. Okay, alright, so she's vibing. I don't know what's going on in her brain. We're trying to find, okay, so she's mixing and matching. I think we have planned for see if we can work with this. But we are trying to find out like how we can kind of
working with this, but we need accessories.
For kind of make it pop, you get me?
And not clash with the guests them.
Yeah. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, I forgot to take off the whole of this right now because I don't know if you understand them look like like sometimes I have on the mask and it's like you kind of smell back your breakfast and I can't deal with it, so it's a good thing I have my gum right now. That never reach it yet? No, I brush my teeth, but I just said just a little strips. That's why hold on, I have my gum, but hold on, lad got they got me a cake on.
So long in there.
So while I'm going to wait, I think I'm going to just like fast run with some of them pieces here and just like, have some conversation with them.
Hop on yo, sagwa, sing hop on yo. Sagwa, you're my best friend. Sagwa. Hey, pia meow, huh.
You see how the girl right here, so? She named Danisha. Walk and beg Danisha. Danisha, what is it? Where you get them something from? I know say that you buy it in a bar. Danisha, go and snip your face from here. Alright, so we're going to go over here, so. Oh my God. Miss Emerina, how are you doing? You're looking lovely.
Anyone who say so much want to live here? Hi, Miss Imarino. Miss Imarino. No, watch you know. Watch Pearl and Mildred. Pearl and Mildred. Jesus Christ, the two of them back in the day, they used to take the same man. Pearl and Mildred, that's what they stay from a long time. Watch her. You see, she can't stop looking at her because as she turn her eye, she take her man. So the two of them have to kind of power. I say up here, so no, up here, so no. She used to be like the goal shooter. She used to play netball and them look something. I can't remember her name. I think her name is Danique. Danique. Yeah, man, stay good, Danique. She all near out her arm. Not one little piece of hair. Who's Zurich international dresses, you know? Enough girl can't afford them something, you know? No, you're just there.
So I'm recording Berry talking to inanimate objects.
No, people, this is not just casually. This is like I was doing it for a video. Like,
no,
like I'm not
you
weird.
are casually talking to inanimate
like
objects, but it's fine.
What about win song?
Whole life. When you know they sell things downtown, you used to sell the little guava them and the little dashing and the little pine them. Will some I have Marcia? Marcia, I can't remember you from like a long time, and I think you have like Merle. Yeah, Merle. Jesus, people from here walk with Merle, and Merle always had to walk on the team to look at people and beady something them. And the same sort of kills them from long time. Them over here, so no. Over here, so you have them girl of them. They are trying to look a muggling thing with like Saint and Poles, but it never really work out for them.
Oh gosh. You're so judged. Jesus, feel. This looks. I'm not the only person. I'm not the only person who talks to like. I'm sure to talk to the sometimes.
Hey, you know, the funny thing is, you know, when a lady that came in here, was looking at one of this, I was like, my oh my, what an item ugly. I believe you made the lady favor, get them right. And I said, you know what? Better keep my peace.
You know when I burst out laughing that though. Me when I burst out laughing.
Yeah.
Our twin.
Our twin, I swear to you, our twin. Listen, you're up same way, you know. The only thing missing was a jewelry and everything, but the lady, it should favor.
That is really bad. It's self-aware if you kind of spot that.
Yeah.
Carisse just want to look so she just like the red balls of them.
Hey, that's nice.
What's so special about the red balls of them, Carisse? It's my balls. Why you like these look around things them there and like what is it? Where does it come from? You're supposed to be a market woman back in the day. I walk with pear and melon and then look at something there. Yeah man, it fits you. Come here like, I don't know, you just walk and pick up the dinosaur egg there. Like, watch it, how you don't find that? See the same thing we just said a while ago.
They're drawn to me.
You're obsessed. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, say I try this and this. Okay. Let's see how I look. Yes, so good evening. That is so amazing. So, what school did you go to? Oh my God, I went to the exact same school. What year? Yeah, feel it. It give me the vibe. I'm so stupid.
Yeah, Carisse. Yeah, man. Put out Barbara Walters. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. TVJ News. Yes, man. I see it. All right, so you put this in there too?
No.
Oh, that's not a part of it. Okay,
No,
okay.
leopard.
Where I feel which color is yellow? I mean, gold.
Oh, just the blues
And
and
people,
the reds.
Carisse is still insisting on incorporating like the balls in the middle of the set. Like, look there. See there?
This is key. This is what gave the inspiration for everything.
So that's the
the
nucleus.
base.
And this starts off with everything.
Yes.
So everything starts with the ball.
Yes. The red ball specifically.
Okay.
Okay? It goes everywhere with me. So this is what is gonna tie back.
Yo, people at the airport, if you ever see Carisse at the airport when you search her and pat her down, please comment down below. Come and know to see some things. Carisse something boss. Carisse something boss. No, look at my mask boss. Look how me I laugh at my mask boss. Like
I always have backup.
No, Carisse, you really one of them one there?
Yo, my mask literally popped a while ago and Carisse is just like, she knows she have more.
One,
This can't be the case.
and
Like,
that's not used yet.
yo, hold on, no, this you can't be one of them look woman there.
There's a living I care about. Yeah, we have more.
Jesus P, you know, so I feel like I
Can't see
could.
inside that bag. Disaster zone.
From counter, I can get one here.
Oh, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. You know, some could have just like tie this back.
I only one mask in this like here?
No, there are more oldies.
Okay. But you just stuff in my bag and look stuff. But it's tight.
Hold on,
If you want.
The reggae you feel?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay.
Use a big word again, man.
Yeah, man, I was saying, you know, instead of the colors them, so we can describe it like as a gradient, it don't just really stay in one shade. You get me? Just kind of smoothly just kind of blends into the next tone, but it's all red, you get me? So if you lighter one, you have the, you know, the darker red and kind of come back around. Kind of come like some girl neck back.
Oh my God.
You know, they look apart there, you know?
Yeah, there's a bit of part of them can't watch.
Yeah, man, right, they look apart.
This is the wash part.
Yeah.
Watch her on the balls them. Like up till now she still play with the balls them. Watch there. Like honestly, you know, I think we know I'm gonna get it for Christmas.
Some ball?
Yes.
Christmas ball.
You're supposed to love money shorter though.
I don't eat meat.
Oh yes.
Are you a photographer?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
Yeah, start.
I'm a photographer too, and that's my piece that you're looking at right now.
Your name up in a shirt for you.
Wait, actually, this is actually you?
Yeah.
This look good though.
Alright.
This look like one country place somebody go one time.
You want to look like me, though?
Wow.
There's some other stuff down there.
Watcha.
I'm going to show you that. See that piece there?
You have skills, man.
Okay.
Plug your page.
Karen Allen photos.
Wallen.
Oh.
Wallen, see?
I can't read.
The W missed me.
Oh, this is
We
nice.
do our storyline kind of photography.
This is very nice.
This is nice. Yeah.
But this nice. So where is this?
In a port.
You know, say one place I'm going already, yeah.
You know,
Up here, say your grandfather live and show.
You know, it's a funeral event.
See there? Remember, Master Joe.
And my master.
Yeah.
Mr. Gussie though.
So Carisse, point your picture though. They can't make him upstage, so point yours, man. Tell him say you. Tell him say you. Tell the picture of Bold Pitney, Olympia.
Oh my God. I didn't want to give it away. You want something light?
Alright, so everything seems like it's going. Carisse, up to you, and I know nothing about them something here.
Yeah, this is the exit part of the whole thing. So watch me exit.
No, why this come like I with my god dance? Me always the last person to leave. You know, say nobody, all the work of them are cut. Alright, so wait before me something there. So everything is kinda set to go. So tomorrow the items are gonna get dropped off.
Tomorrow.
And we can put together the set and the studio and all of these things. But yeah. Alright, so people, I'm there with the boss of LP Azar, Mr. Andrew over here, so, and he was kind enough to allow me to, you know, like pick some things with Carisse, like help and put together the set we're not gonna see. So I never know. So when I have like home decor and type of stuff there. Is a new thing or a long time when I have them offering there?
No, probably about a year now, but we try and get very unique stuff.
Yeah, that's from
everybody else. Yeah, and then as in the case of your show, we like to back quality products.
Yeah.
And you're a brand name, and Carisse, whatever Carisse produces is quality.
Yeah.
So we're happy to back you and we wish the show good luck, you know.
You see, I'm very appreciative of this because like when I started, it was really a struggle for like find people to come on board and stuff, and so really appreciate it. And I'll make sure to send a come on down what's the location and everything for the people who
man,
who
5 Marista Road, and we're down here. We're open Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. So you're welcome.
Walk on for the Christmas because everybody at Gear Up Feet like what we're telling the people out here.
Well, we just have some tremendous specials on the home stuff.
Yeah.
At this point where we can't go out to slam down, people fixing up their home to try and make it nice. We've been having very good business. But as I said, good luck to you guys.
We're
gonna watch the show and support it, and I would urge others, you know, sponsors and things to come out and
support creatives
you
them
also,
once
yeah.
you set the quality up and you know them are the good stuff.
We have to look at our creative people in Jamaica, you know, and know that we're just as good as the first one that I can call it third world. But we're just as good, so we just need corporate Jamaica to back the arts and you guys, and I'd like to call on others to do this also. Huh?
No, this is Mr. Jamaica right here. Like honestly, right now, like if he run election right now, it win easy. Like there's literally like wait. Stop the count. All right, then you want to bless. Oh my gosh, I need a mirror. I need a mirror. I love the mirror, you know. You know the mirror the way you can just check out yourself. You come out of the bathroom and you just there so. Oh my gosh. Oh, I get the shirt here the other day from a Berida. Her name is gifted by Veronica.